I'm headed to the back of the ship on the same deck on 8 for the Pig and Anchor Brewery Tour. That's right, they brew their own beer on this ship, and we're gonna meet the brewmaster. And this is where we had lunch the first day, and we had the Bloody Marys.
Those brewery tours are going to take you in the back and show you all the cool stuff. Well, unfortunately, I work in a fishbowl, and you can see all of my cool stuff by walking by. I'm not going to show you any of my cool crap. I'm just an idiot that's going to stand here and talk to you for the next hour. He's going to actually get you beer.
He came in with 8 quarts of beer. 8 quarts of beer. This is good. The beer is definitely a flowing. You did seriously bring out 8 quarts the second time, and you can literally, oh, more than 8 quarts, just drink all you want. People can drink all they want, talking, having fun. There's still half a pitchers of everything. And by the way, the beers are really good. We have like a 5-minute break. We're gonna meet over by his brewing instruments. His brewing instruments. I can't say that. I have been to Brew Hub in Lakeland, Florida. You can go. It's an awesome place. And this is where they brew beer for these Carnival ships, the canned kinds. He actually brews beer here on this ship. I would highly recommend this tour. It's under $30. It comes with beer. It's fun. Everybody there was fun. Like the whole vibe was just fun. He was funny, very entertaining. As a reminder where we are, that's guest services. It's a summer landing. There's the alcohol shop. This is so awesome. And those beers are so good. And he says he brews them so that they're kind of more palatable to a wide audience. They're easy to drink. They have the great flavors. Look at this. And then there is the windows to behind the bar. I think the drinking party is about to start. We only tried 2. And it wasn't just a brewery tour, it was like they should call it a brewery tour and a party or hangout. Look at all these beer cups everywhere. All right, so remember, this is fun. The beer is good. He's hilarious, very entertaining. The times can vary. It's been 2 hours, but he doesn't keep asking like, everybody good, everybody good. Hey guys, it's 5:30. I would recommend the brewery tour. It was awesome, it was entertaining, it was fun, but I think they undersold it. It's $27 a brewery tour, comes with a free pint of beer. It was way more than that. It was an experience. Back to the room for a little pack-in before dinner. Okay, so this is open in about 5 minutes. I'm so excited to see everything they have for dinner. So hungry, and I need my Caesar salad. Need with lots of ease. Ooh, we can peek in here. Potatoes, rice, pork. I smell fried shrimp. Nothing I personally want. Cauliflower. There's the line so far. I'm going for the salad bars and the other stuff. There's so many different lines everywhere. There's one over here. I'm gonna see if it's the same. Fried shrimp, enchiladas, broiled pork chops, steamed rice, and baked potato. Yes, it's the same on both sides, and that's what's for dinner in the Lido. Look at that delicious bread and that big old bowl of butter. And here we go. That salad this morning was horrible. I'm so sorry. Everything was not good about that salad. But I'm looking forward to my salad and my other things right now. This is my dinner, okay? And look at this view. We're barely moving. And it's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, salad was disappointing again. I'm gonna get a sandwich. The dressing was hardly flavorful. And the lettuce was bitter. Next stop, sandwich. And then a show. Came here earlier and it wasn't open, so I'm gonna go now. Piazza Panini. Thaw out and relax out here on the Havana deck again. Last time on this cruise. Look, there's the pool. There's a ship out there. It's a Carnival. I see the whale tail. We are so close to home. And I am so tired and I need to finish packing, and I think that I'm turning in early tonight. This cruise has drained me more than other cruises. You know what it means. It's the last night of the cruise. It's 6:48. There's been lots of cleaning going on all day long. They made the elevator areas you could like smell the varnish. So I'm gonna go to the room. I'm gonna do my little room tour. I do have to say that there's a very unusual odor in here the last 2 days. But anyway, I have a cure for that. Don't like cruise cabin odors. Bath and Body Works body spray. There we go. And then it's really good for bathrooms. So, we're gonna do a little room tour. It is lived in. Okay, here's the shower. You do have shampoo and shower gel. This moves up and down. I did not know that the first day. Okay, believe me, you want to know this. And you can do this to turn it on. You turn that, and then this does the temperature. Careful, it gets usually always extremely hot. There is a sign usually. Now about the size, I have lost 60 pounds. I'm about 290, but as you can see, there's space. There's space to actually, you know, turn and move and have this closed and everything. And then over here, you have two little shelves and a little mirror. You got the commode. And there's two little shelves down there too, by the way, and those shelves right there. Plenty of toilet paper. The light. Oh, wait, this is awesome. When you turn the light off, right? Look at this. Look at that light. It stays on even when the bathroom light is off. See? So even middle of the night, now you can see without having to leave the whole light on. And then here we have two lights. And the key has to be in for the electricity and the air to work. I always leave it all the way down. Always leave a card in here. That light turns on the hall, and the bottom light turns on the big circular light here. And this is a Havana cabin and inside. Now we have really nice space, okay? There's a mirror for you to see how good you look. There's plenty of space and places to hang and put stuff in this closet. The coat hangers aren't even attached, which is amazing and wonderful. So if it's making noises because it's wavy, you can take them down. You can hang up your stuff easily. I don't want to forget my giant bag of souvenirs from Mexico. So put that right there next to my suitcase that is ready. Actually take these things off because I have been out and about for about 12 entire hours today. And at home, I'm usually going to bed like 8:30, 9. I'm an early riser. And you know, that's another thing about cruising, is that whether you're an early riser, a late riser, a night owl, there's stuff. So you can choose to do what you want when you want to do it. This is the desk and the little chair. And you have a refrigerator that's clear. It's nice. Just like all cruise fridges, don't really get cold that much though. 2 bottled waters that came in here when we got here, but you have to buy these, $3.95. We did get free ones because we've sailed before. If you get the free ones, then you get them at a bar or like in a restaurant. We have an assortment of towel animals that all happened to lose their eyeballs as they made their way from here to there. 2 twins or 1 king. And we did ask to have it separated, but it wasn't, but they did it no problem when we got here. These little tables are neat. You each have your own little tables. This is cool. Ready for this? That turns on all the lights, it looks like. Hold on. This one, this is my favorite light. You ready? That's all it is right here. That, my favorite one. I can leave that on during the day. It doesn't make the cabin hot. And it took me, I think, until last night when I was laying here to realize what this picture was. See if you can figure it out. Oh, and the TV. Look how nice and big the TV is. And I do love that mirror and the light around it. It's really pretty. Nice big TV. So now I'm gonna turn off some of these big lights and show you this other closet, okay? When we did our room tour, and also see if it's too late to get room service, since I've had the worst luck with food this entire day. I don't even think I was able to show you. The sandwiches were so soggy because I asked for them not heated because I didn't want like butter and stuff on them. And soggy mess. Traumatized. Now, we can do room service for free. I did read this in another one of my videos. There is a charge for some items, but what you can get for free, garden salad, Caesar salad, and then tuna salad, roasted turkey, ham and cheese, peanut butter and jelly, turkey, bacon, lettuce and tomato, grilled American cheese, and grilled Reuben. I just wish there was something just totally plain, you know, like cottage cheese and ham and cheese cold. Okay, we're going to order room service. This is exciting. I just want to put in here, guys, in case you don't think about this, but if you are going to be utilizing room service, which is free on some things and there is a charge on some things, just in general, because they are coming to bring you the stuff all the way up to your cabin and stuff, that's when I have cash to tip them with when they drop off the food. So if you didn't know about that, try to get some cash, have cash ready. If you're using room service, bring cash just for room service. Tipping is its own thing. And that being said, it's up to you. Guys, it is 6:30 in the morning. So it's a little dark and it looks a little windy. Maybe it's stormy. Oh, we're in Florida and it is just beautiful. The flip is so fast on the ships. Okay, like 2 hours. I don't usually get breakfast and I wouldn't if it wasn't for chicken. Shortest chicken lane yet, but still not super fast because they gotta make. By the way, I'm gonna show you what they have for breakfast. They have oatmeal and things to put in it. Pancakes with blueberry compote, pork, sausage, hash browns, scrambled eggs, and ham benedict. These are pastries. There's raspberry Danish, honey raisin muffin. That's not honey raisin muffin. Milk, yogurt, fruit. He called muster stations A, B, and F all by 7:30, from 7 to 7:30. Self-carry, so I'm going to the room to get my stuff. Before I go get my luggage and get off the ship, I just want to tell you guys that if you want to go on this ship soon, I hope you get to. I do. It's awesome. And I am definitely coming back and I have a plan to bring all my kids. That's how much I loved it. I had the most amazing fun adventure with you guys. Every single thing that I do on my cruise, being able to share it with you guys just makes me so happy. Everything is better with you guys. This is gonna be fun. Look at the line. Once again, it's 7:30. They started calling at 7, people off the ship.
You carry off your own luggage or you put your suitcases outside your cabin last night. For those guests that are carrying off their own luggage, you'll be called to the gangway by your muster station assignment.
Keep that in mind if you go get breakfast, you're gonna be stuck.
Luggage tags will only be called
Stuck. Because it gets crazy.
and luggage is prepared out off the ship by 9:30.
Ooh, they're trying to get everybody off at 9:30. I have one more flight to go to 8. From 16 to 8. I want to tell you guys, embarkation and debarkation day, getting on the ship and off the ships they're hard. It's like it's work. And I will see you guys another cruise vlog soon. I love you guys. Stay safe. Be careful. Bye.